Donaldson Dairy.
Out of the gate and off for a walk went
Harry McClary.
from
Donaldson Dairy.
and
Mr. Maloney.
Hercules
Morris, dancing as a horse.
and with
It's Harry McClary from Donaldson Dairy. Holly Pot.
covered
With
in
spots.
Hercules Morse as big as a horse and
Harry McClary from Donaldson Dairy. I don't know.
Muffin McLay like a
Okay.
bottomly pots covered in
Spots.
and Hercules
More something as a horse.
and you say it, Harry McClary.
Donaldson Dairy.
Okay, who's that? Bitzer,
Maloney.
Bitzer Maloney, all skinny and bony. Muffin McLay, like a bundle of hay. Bottomly Pots, covered in spots. Hercules Morse, as big as a horse. And
Under the trap. Larry under the trap.
oh, Harry McClary from Donaldson's Dairy. Who's that?
Best Maloney.
Schnitzel with the tongue. Bitzer Maloney, all skinny and Muffin
Hey.
in spots. Hercules Morse, as big as a horse, with
Harry McClary from Donaldson Dairy.
with tails in the air, they trotted on down past the shops in the park. To the far end of town, they sniffed at the smells, and they snooped at each door, when suddenly, out of the shadows, they saw... Who is that, Claire?
It's Tom in town.
What does he say? Said Scarface Claw.
Look at my mama.
Off with a yowl and a wail and a howl, a scatter of paws and a clatter of claws went.
This is one crown was a very low time.
Bitzer Maloney, all skinny and bony. Muffin McLay, like a bundle of hay.
Bottomly pot, covered in spots, Hercules Morse, and
Harry McClary from Donaldson Dairy. Straight back home to bed. The end.